Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Santorini Black. This car is a 3-litre diesel. It's previously had only one owner and is next due for a service in May 2022. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys, giving the car a real sporty appearance. Privacy glass, keeping personal items more secure. A powered tailgate, perfect if you've got your hands full, and as you can see you have plenty of space in the boot for golf clubs, push chairs and holiday luggage, and you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. An electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one and is also hidden away when you're not using it. And going round and going into the back of the vehicle, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the car I can unlock it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is nearby. You have 8-inch rear seat entertainment, which I'll show you more about in a second. You also have plenty of space for 3 passengers. So here you can see you have a remote to control the screen. You can control your climate from the back. Media, so what channel you want your radio on, and you also have headphones that you can listen through. You can turn your heated seat on and off. And you can also see the navigation, so how far you are from your destination. And stepping back out and going to the front, you have electrically deployable side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the car. Illuminated Range Rover scripted tread plates and a gorgeous ebony and pimento leather interior, which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. As you can see, you have a windshield also. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold, or as we approach summer to keep drinks cool. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. And you also have control over the heated seats in the back. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you have a rear view camera with 360-degree parking aid, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone and use various apps, along with valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. Ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. You can also turn your side steps off if you don't want them to come out when you open the doors, and you can control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. If we go into your glove box here, you'll see you have a CD and DVD player, which is handy if you've got old CDs that you may want to play. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning, cruise control, and you also have blind spot monitor. All of those are helpful whilst driving, especially down the motorway. A heated steering wheel, perfect for a cold winter morning. Memory seats, which are ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 23,806 miles. You can also change the display layout depending on your preference, if you want 2 dials, 1 dial, a full map if you may use the sat-nav, media and your driver assistance. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thanks for watching.